Back. So today I will be reviewing two of the Zara fragrances here. The first one is Feel at Nightfall and Zara Nude Bouquet, and both of them are sort of similar. Both of them are floral fragrances, but one has slightly different note than the other. So yeah, I wanted to review them together, and yeah, let's move on with the video. Feel at Nightfall has notes, top notes of praline, middle note of then middle note of jasmine and base note of sandalwood and amber. And I have like sprayed Feel at Nightfall in here, and let me just tell you what it smells like. So just as I sprayed it, for the first few seconds I got a praline note. It's a praline note is a sweet note, not very sweet, but and not very caramelly, but it's a like a slight sweet note. And then the fragrance moves to like a floral scent, and then I do get a sort of a floral note that is not too strong. Yeah, I do get the jasmine, and if you sniff it up close, you do get slight sandalwood, which gives it that base. And it's a very beautiful mix of sandalwood and jasmine, which is not too heavy because jasmine does give me headache. And this one is a very nice, like a sweet floral fragrance. It has a very hint, like a slight hint of creaminess. I don't know, I think because of the praline in it, it has Feel at Nightfall has slight hint of creaminess along with the floral note, which makes it a very nice fragrance. I i have a lot of perfumes and I wanted to declutter it. Yeah, and that's the reason I want to give it away, because I know I won't be reaching out for this one. It's a nice perfume, but I don't think I would reach out for Feel at Nightfall. It's a great fragrance if you want to try like a mild floral with fruit, like sweet note. So yeah, I do like Feel at Nightfall, but I don't really reach out for it. Hence, I'm decluttering it from my collection. So coming to Nude Bouquet, this has top notes of cherry, middle note of peony, and base note of vanilla. So as you spray it, you do get a slight fruitiness, which is not really sweet, and then quickly it settles down into a slight sour fruity note, sour sort of a fruity note, which is not that strong. And I do get that fruity juiciness from the cherry, which is not that sweet, which is more of a lemony, not exactly lemony, but slightly tart cherry. And then I get quickly like a floral note, which is from the peony. And mostly the fragrance does smell like peony, and it's a very nice powdery floral fragrance. It's not exactly, it does not smell like any sort of powder, but it's a very beautiful floral fragrance. And as the fragrance settles down, it it gives hints of vanilla at the base, which is not that sweet. Like, you won't get that extreme sweetness, but you do get that slight creaminess. Not exactly creaminess, but that depth from vanilla at the base note. And I would say this is not at all a sweet fragrance. It's a floral fragrance, but in a good way. You, as the name suggests, it does smell like a bouquet of flowers. It has only one floral as shown in the middle note. It has only peony, but I don't know how it smells like a bouquet of flowers, and it smells fantastic. Yeah, it's something which you can wear every day and even to office wears, formal wears. It's a very nice, versatile fragrance. You can even wear it for an evening out. It's very elegant floral feminine fragrance. Yeah, I would really love wearing this any time of the day. Yeah, so that is Zara Nude Bouquet. So if you are planning to buy either of the two, I would suggest go for Nude Bouquet. If you are a floral fragrance lover, you would definitely love this. It has floral. Uh, it's a floral fragrance with a touch of expensive note to it. Like Zara fragrances tend to smell expensive, and yeah, Nude Bouquet is just on point, and it's very versatile. I like that thing about Nude Bouquet, that it can be worn on any occasion and it won't offend anyone because it's not that strong. Like it won't irritate anyone's nose and still make you feel like a feminine elegant lady. And yeah, I really like Nude Bouquet better than Field at Nightfall. I somehow find the creaminess in Field at Nightfall and the sweetness sort of contradicting the floral note. And yeah, I don't know why, and that's the reason why I don't tend to use Field at Nightfall. Like I did not reach out for that a lot. And yeah, I would definitely recommend Field at Nightfall for people who like floral fragrances with sweetness and creaminess, and Nude Bouquet for floral fragrance girlies. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to review any other fragrances. And yeah, these two bottles have macerated for a long time, I think more than 6 months. And yeah, it's a very nice and refined fragrance, and I do keep them locked up inside my cupboard so that they are not exposed to sunlight. So yeah, store your fragrances properly and they will macerate so well. These two have done really well when it comes to maceration. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Do let me know which all Zara fragrances you want me to review. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.